Haptics. Let's talk a little bit about safety. We're going to take a look at the article Tangible Multimodal Interfaces for Safety Critical Applications by P. Cohen and D. McGee, which by the name of the article, of course, is on the topic of safety critical applications. These researchers took a look at some of the challenges facing integration of multimodal systems and what we can call safety critical applications, such as military and hospital use. As we digitize much information to make industries far more efficient, we have to note that safety critical industries have always relied on paper. If we take an objective look at paper itself, it's not only cheap, it's often available, lightweight, and it can be used for collaboration. It can be found in various sizes, and most importantly, paper seldom fails. It's not affected by network crashes, damages to a device, power outages, or even battery failure. When we are working in what can often be considered life-threatening situations, it's crucial that we have a fail-safe system in place. It's for this reason why multimodal systems have seen a lot of resistance from professionals. P. Cohen and D. McGee propose that rather than ask a user to change how they work, designers instead need to design systems around users' current methods of work. It's also important to note that the typical keyboard and mouse input does not translate well to mobile use or in collaborative environments. In the article we mentioned, the option that's looked at is known as a tangible multimodal system, or a system that allows users to use enhanced versions of tools and objects that are already in their workplace. For example, we can look at a system by the name of RASA, which allows military personnel to continue to use paper maps in combination with post-it notes. A map, for example, is placed on a large digitizer that captures any inputs officers put into the system, as well as symbols placed with post-it notes. This information can then be broadcast to where it needs to be. Information from other collaborators' maps are projected over the existing map in order to integrate both data. The obvious advantage of using a paper map is that if for some reason the device itself fails or the network fails, the paper map stays where it is and it can be continued to be used by officers. When the system comes back online, it can then again broadcast the updated information. Yet another device we can look at is the Anoto pen. It's an ink pen that's used like any other pen would be, but it comes with the addition of a camera and a Bluetooth radio, allowing the user to digitize their pen strokes. This allows, for example, a physician to write critical information on a paper form and also have a digital copy that can be readily accessible anytime, anywhere. So as you can see, there's many different methods for exploring the future of multimodal technology and how we can expect them to integrate into different industries. As the authors in the article found out, users are looking for technology that not only enhances their existing work methods, but can also be integrated into these work methods. These are very important aspects to take into account. Safety-critical industries tend to resist the introduction of new systems until they have been proven to be reliable. We can say that multimodal technologies can be of great benefit to these industries if the right approach is taken when integrating the technology to the very specific needs involved. Okay, so I do hope you found this video interesting. If you did like the video, do hit that like button. If for some reason you didn't, hit dislike. Subscribe if you haven't already, and of course, good day, good night, good morning, bye-bye, no matter where you are in the world.